Men want to be appreciated and respected. Women want to be cherished and heard. Now's the time. It's the 21st century. Time for change. How do you care about your partner? How do you show you care? Stop looking at what they're doing wrong. Show them they're important. Notice their efforts and improvements. Everyone has a need to belong. How do you help them feel like they belong? It tells you how to deal with conflict. It tells you how to be able to become closer with a totally different language with your partner. Buy my book, Fix Your Relationship. It's that easy.